Hemoglobin is an iron-containing protein that lives inside red blood cells. Its primary job, its most critical function, is to bind oxygen in the lungs and carry it through the bloodstream to the body's tissues and organs. Without hemoglobin doing this job, cellular respiration would fail. The body's cells cannot extract oxygen from plasma alone in sufficient quantities to survive. Hemoglobin also has a secondary function. It helps transport a small fraction of carbon dioxide from the tissues back to the lungs, where it is exhaled. This is a supporting role. The primary mechanism for carbon dioxide transport involves dissolved CO2 and bicarbonate. But hemoglobin contributes to this process as well. The key takeaway is that hemoglobin is absolutely indispensable for oxygen delivery, and any reduction in hemoglobin directly compromises the body's ability to oxygenate its tissues. Next is hematocrit. Hematocrit is a ratio. Specifically, it is the ratio of the volume of red blood cells to the total volume of whole blood. And whole blood includes not just red blood cells, but also white blood cells, platelets, and the fluid component we call plasma. So when you look at a hematocrit value, you are seeing what proportion of the total blood volume is actually occupied by red cells. Because hematocrit reflects red cell volume relative to total blood volume, it is sensitive to two different things: changes in the actual number of red cells and changes in plasma volume. This is why hematocrit, like hemoglobin, can appear low even when red cell mass is normal, simply because plasma has expanded. Keep that relationship in mind. Now, beyond those three primary parameters, the complete blood count also provides us with a set of derived indices. These indices don't measure the total quantity of red cells. They tell us about the characteristics of individual red cells. And these characteristics are extraordinarily useful for classifying anemias and narrowing down their cause. Let's go through each one in the next sections.